Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chk bsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy **backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space **space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space **space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.